Hey guys, I got this cute makeup combo from Sugar Pop Cosmetics. Let's see what's in it. Starting with the Ultra HD blush, which was broken and exploded all over my products, but I somehow savaged it. The next one is this BB cream in the shade Honey. It is got SPF 30 and it's a good one for everyday use. The third one is this longwear kajal in the shade Brown. I wanted to try something other than black. The fourth product is the matte eyeliner in the shade Blue. Again, I wanted to try something else, and this blue is totally beautiful. Fifth product in the combo is the Volumising Mascara, and the sixth product is the Nourishing lip balm in the shade Plum. It's got a good tint plus it's moisturizing. The seventh product is a nail polish, which I did not like much, and the eighth and final product is this beautiful matte lip color in the shade Cranberry. This is my absolute favorite, and there's the finished look. The sling bag is absolutely pretty and handy, and the combo is priced at $1,500. Follow me for more.